Hey everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Father's Day cake. So my dad's a really big fan of soccer and I decided to kind of create like a soccer themed Father's Day cake. So the first thing I did was I worked on the soccer ball. I took some white fondant and I made the base of the soccer ball. I also took some smaller little bits of fondant and rolled them into small little teeny balls that I was then gonna glue on to the main base. I did the same thing with some black fondant, so you can get like the black hexagons that you would get on a normal soccer ball, and I glued them together using some edible adhesive, and I let it sit and dry for a few hours just so it would be a little bit more stable, and then I started to work on his jersey. So my dad's favorite team has a red colored jersey, so I took some red fondant, I rolled it out, and then I cut a giant rectangle out of it, and then I used an X-Acto knife to kind of get like the sleeves and the smaller details of the jersey. And then I took a paintbrush, I took some black food coloring, and I wrote his club name, his name, and then 24 since it's his 24th Father's Day. Then I made his favorite chocolate cake. So since I wanted to do a green cake because of the soccer field, I used a vanilla buttercream for the outside, but I made a chocolate buttercream filling for the inside. So I took the vanilla buttercream, I covered the entire cake, let it sit in the fridge for a little bit, and then I took some more just to even up the top, even though I was going to kind of make it like a grassy top. I just wanted to make sure that it was still even. I took some green buttercream in a piping bag with a piping tip 233 from Wilton. It's a grass tip, kind of give that field-like texture. And then I added the soccer ball and the jersey, and that is it. It was super fun to make, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!